Illegal sawmill recovered at Taradubi. Gas cylinder blast spark at Hanjang Langso Daily Market. Hello, welcome to Daily Cast News. I'm Miran Kramsapi and today's news as follows. Dongkamukam Forest Range official recovered 2 numbers of illegal sawmill at Taradubi area of West Karbi Anglong. On 20th August 2020, the Dongkamukam Forest Range in charge, led by Bidyopol Ronghang and his team, recovered and seized 2 numbers of illegal sawmill at Taradubi area of West Karbi Anglong. Mr. Ronghang, while addressing the media, said that the 2 accused persons, Pankaj Dekaraja and Nobojyoti Bordoloy, have been doing such illegal activities since long. He also added that after seizing the illegal sawmill, the accused persons were charged under Assam Forest Act under Section 34, 35, 40, 41 and 49. Dongkamukam correspondent Francis Teron. Fire broke out with huge flame due to gas cylinder blast at Hanjang Langso Daily Market. On 22 August 2020 evening, the LPG gas cylinder blast sparked fire at Hanjang Langso Daily Market under Bogajan subdivision around 9 p.m. resulting in an explosion, trapping 3 shops and a hotel. No one was injured in the blast, says the official. Hanjang Langso correspondent Mr. Vishnu Lekte. Karbi Best Lyricist, awardee and renowned Karbi film director and scriptwriter Joy Singh Rongpi passed away at 67. Joy Singh Rongpi, who is known for his Karbi lyrics, film directions and script, passed away on 22 of August 2020 around 6 p.m. at the age of 67 years. Known for writing Karbi song, he penned lyrics for icon albums like Jakwe Epardo Sining Clear. He has written over 3,000 Karbi songs. He was awarded as a Best Karbi Lyrics for the year 1999 to 2000 by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Diffu. Besides this, he has great contributions toward the Karbi Cultural Society, Karbi Lamet Amay, Karbi Film Society, Karbi Togbang Aterang, and Sodo Assam Jana Sanskriti Parisad Guwahati. The Karbi Film Society, led by its General Secretary Mr. Dilip Bey, Joint Secretary Jibon Teron, KFS Diffu Regional Committee President Mr. Sarsing Ingti, and Secretary Marlof Timung, renowned artist Sanjay Terang, and many other KFS members and artists paid the deepest condolence and pray for the departure soul of Joy Singh Rongpi at Samson Singh Ingti Memorial Park at Diffu. Let's take a short break. Stay with us.
Langli TVS, Rongkhelan, opposite of DIG Bungalow, Diffu Manja Road, Diffu Karbi Anglong, Assam. Deals with all kinds of TVS bikes and scooters. Spare parts as well as sales and services are available. Finances are also available. For more details, contact 6000492143. Email langlimotors@gmail.com.
Welcome back. CYA performed cleanliness drive at Koilamati Weekly Market. On 22nd of August 2020, the Chingrum Youth Associations, led by its president Mr. Jirsong Togbi and secretary Mr. Stanley Ingti, performed cleanliness drive at Koilamati Tuesday Weekly Market around 9 a.m. By seeing the activities, the Koilamati Development Committee, the local people of Koilamati and Koilamati Land contributed and appreciate to CYA. Report from our Koilamati correspondent Mr. Samson Ingti. Usuka demanded immediate transfer of Karbi Anglong District Veterinary Officer Dr. Dilip Mahanta. On 23rd of August 2020, Usuka called press meet and demanded immediate transfer of Karbi Anglong District Veterinary Officer Dr. Dilip Mahanta at Hauraghat. Bidison Teron, president of Usuka, while addressing to media, stated that KAAC has been appointed Mr. Herulas Milig, Joint Secretary of KAAC and Senior Advisors Larlem Sangge Gamlal for inquiry within a week, since 5th of June 2020. But why KAAC remained silent and failed to inquire Dr. Dilip Mahanta. On the other side, Usuka General Secretary Mr. Jintu Hazarika stated that Usuka will meet Governor of Assam regarding this matter. If Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council fails to inquire Karbi Anglong Veterinary Department and fails to transfer Dr. Mahanta from his post, then Usuka shall take strong step against him and responsible must be taken by KAC, added Mr. Hazarika. Correspondent from Delhi Cast News.
উত্থাপন কৰক তেওঁলোকে কি কৰিছে 2 বছৰৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্ট নামত কিবা পইচা আহিছে কি কৰিছে উত্থাপন কৰক তেওঁলোকে যোনটো দমন নীতি তেওঁলোকে বিভিন্ন থ্ৰৰি ক'ব বিচাৰে আজি তেওঁলোকে এইবিলাক প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ তেওঁলোকে দিবলৈ সক্ষমতা হোৱা নাই তেওঁলোকে এচি ৰুমত এচি গাড়ী ঘূৰি কৰি যোনটো ৰাজ্যৰ মাজত বিভাজ্য সৃষ্টি কৰা এটা ষড়যন্ত্ৰহে লিপ্ত হৈছে ডক্টৰ দিলীপ মহন্ত ডাঙৰীয়া ডক্টৰ ধৰেন্দ্ৰ বৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়া।
That's all for today. Keep watching Telecast News.